When we talk about habits, it's usually in the context of bad ones, things like smoking, eating junk food, watching too much television. But there are some good habits. In fact, there are some habits that are so good, they exhibit their own special superpowers. These habits are called Keystone Habits. A keystone is the most important stone in an archway. It locks all of the others in place and gives the arch its structural integrity. Just like an architectural keystone, some good habits of ours can be the basis for others. They can actually give our other habits a super boost. For example, exercise is a keystone habit. When you get in the habit of exercising more, it activates neural pathways in your brain. This is the key to releasing something called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF acts like fertilizer for your brain's neurons, making them grow quicker and develop stronger connections. As a result, you'll learn new skills and develop new habits more easily. By being active every day, it becomes a platform to build other habits around, like eating healthier and getting more sleep, both of which help you lower your stress levels and improve your job performance, which eventually will lead to improved well-being and leadership effectiveness. Wow, all of that just from exercising more. When it comes to being a better leader, there are a few keystone habits we can implement that have a powerful ripple effect, like eating better. Nothing is more important for your health than what you eat. Food is fuel, and the quality of fuel that you provide your brain will largely determine its performance. Mindfulness meditation is another keystone habit. It increases your brain's ability to focus and manage emotions, which can come in handy in all kinds of leadership situations. Here's a keystone habit you'll like. Getting enough rest increases your ability to remember things, learn, and find creative solutions to problems. And yes, you guessed it, exercise. Exercise makes your brain bigger, and bigger really is better when it comes to the brain and leadership. eLeadership Academy. Online training, real-life results.